Can we repeat that one?
Alles klar, wir haben's.
Okay, that's it. Let's go.
Hello, my name is Nicolas Ballack and I'm a product engineer in Villach in Austria.
My name is Austin. I'm a senior product engineer working here at General Trias, Cavite, Philippines.
Here at Infineon, we as engineers can implement our own ideas and exciting new products. And within our multicultural teams, we can grow and learn from other cultures.
Infineon is a great company, stimulates learning every time, promotes good work-life balance.
Work-life balance means when I live over here and Infineon is over there, I can take a huge detour and go wherever I want. As a product engineer, I analyze data on a daily basis. I can train my computer systems to do my job for me and therefore be free for other tasks. And this is the most exciting part about it.
I think the characteristics that are helpful in being a senior product engineer is a good mix of technical and management skills, being resourceful, and lastly, being proactive, doing everything in advance.
You have to be stubborn, curious, and you have to embrace the diversity between different people and cultures to solve problems and stick to the problems until it is solved.
What brings me joy and happiness at work is having an indicator of success, having the knowledge of what future technologies will utilize the devices I'm working on.
There are very talented people, very clever people, and I'm part of this team. And this is what I really like.
Do you have what it takes? Come prove it here. Join Infineon.